Hey, what's up? It's Tom, and welcome to a new series. A new series where we take a look at some of the coolest tech available on the market. Today, it's the turn of the PowerPlay 20 by GreenCell. This is a power bank. It's actually a pretty decent power bank, especially for the price. Now, what's really cool about this power bank is that it offers you 20,000 milliamp hours, which is pretty decent. It gives you 72 plus hours of charge. That's for the iPhone 11. It's got USB-C power delivery. It's got ultra-fast charging technology as well. Now, for those of you who are new to the GreenCell brand, it's a brand that I trust quite a lot. I've been using them for laptop batteries, aftermarket laptop batteries. On many occasions, I've actually got one of their power banks at the moment. Not this particular one, a lower version to that. But it's pretty cool. Now, what I'm saying is you've got two USB-A ports here in the front. You've got two USB-C ports. Now, it's got two signs on it, which we'll find out what they mean. In terms of the packaging itself, it's presented really nice. You've got that sort of razor style green, which I like. So according to the box, you can charge 3 devices at the same time, which is amazing. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's stunningly durable. You've got a unique design, and it's ready for your carry-on luggage. And it says fast charging, even 80% charge within 35 minutes, which is pretty awesome. So the USB-C port labeled PE is for MacBooks, Ultrabooks, Nintendo Switch, smartphones, and other USB-C smart devices, which is amazing. The fact that it charges your MacBook. The packaging, it's extremely impressive. That's what it looks like on the inside. But anyway, let's have a look at what's inside. Nice and easy. So there's nothing here. So this is the power bank. Now, it's not light, this, I must admit. It's not as light as any other power banks I've had. But it does feel sturdy, and it does feel good quality. I mean, I've had loads, I had gazillions of power banks, a lot of which were felt cheaply made. This just feels very, very impressive in terms of quality, that is. Put that there for the time being. So, inside, you've got a USB cable. Now, what I really like to see as well is the fact that the manufacturer has cared for keeping the branding consistent. As you can see, at least I hope you can see, the USB-A part is green inside, which is a very nice addition. So you've got a Your Opinion Counts leaflet, which basically asks them to write a product review. Ooh, and you got stickies. Nice. I've said it in many of my videos. I absolutely adore when manufacturers include goodies such as stickies. In this occasion, they've actually included 3, which is very generous. You've got one with the GreenCell logo. You've got a GreenCell global hashtag, and you've got a Fresh Energy hashtag. Very nice touch, GreenCell. You also have a user manual, which mainly explains how to use it and what the indicator lights, which according to this are also green. I haven't actually turned it on. I'm not sure I know how to turn it on. You check the power level. So the this GreenCell logo itself is a power button. Very nice addition. And the power light also is green. Beautiful. Now the instruction manual is available in several different languages, which is a very nice touch as well. And other than that, there's nothing else in the box apart from the hooky thingy, which just fell out. So yeah, it is going to be a perfect addition to take with you on your cycling trips, on your traveling, that type of stuff, because it will just charge every single device. So far my impressions of this are pretty decent. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more great content. Till next time.